Today, Fuzz is taking Tim on a detour to the very heart of England, where lies one of the hidden gems of the classic car world, Bicester heritage.
Right, now, Fuzz, I can tell you I know where I am.
Yeah.
I'm in Bicester.
Yep.
And I'm at RAF Bicester.
That's correct.
Right, but it's no longer occupied by the Royal Air Force.
No, this is occupied by a whole load of car-crazy people. You're going to have the time of your life here. Come on. This is a pre-war 1920s Vauxhall 2360. These cars were Bentley beaters.
You love your pre-war cars.
I love these cars. This is when Vauxhall were truly magnificent. And in fact, I think that's a later engine, probably out of a 3098.
The 3098. We have experience of one of these.
Oh, yeah. My favourite car.
While filming at a car museum for the Astra GTE episode, Fuzz blagged a drive in a much older but no less sporting Vauxhall. And not even the great British weather could dampen their enthusiasm.
Oh, yes, Fuzz, this is proper motoring.
Oh, yeah. This one dates from 1927. Oh, it's amazing. Listen to that. You sitting there,
yeah.
It's quite comfortable, isn't it?
It is. It's like being in your front room.
Yeah, that's
right.
right.
It's a bouncy seat. The speedo's wobbling. The steering's terrible, I can tell. I'm getting soaking wet where the water's dropping onto my knee. But who says there's anything wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with it at all. This is driving at its purest form.
Yeah.
This is amazing. You really have to think about what you're doing. The gear shift's over on the right-hand side. The service brake is actually a handbrake. If you use the foot brake, it will lock the rear wheels up straight away.
Right.
And bring them back in round.
So use the handbrake to slow you down.
Yeah, but once you've got it,
you're all right.
Oh, it's brilliant.
But don't you feel like you're part of the design process in this car, Fuzz?
Oh, yeah.
I should be sitting with a notepad going crunchy into second gear, handbrake sticks a little bit as well, bit of backfiring from the manifold end and some out of the back end as well. Let's see if we can address that over the next 100 years.
Oh, this is driving.
It's
this
brilliant.
is proper driving. Oh, I love it. Here we go, Tim.
Of course, back in the 1920s, Vauxhall weren't the most famous sports car maker on the scene.
Wow, 4.5 litre Bentleys.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous looking cars.
And what makes Bicester Heritage so special is that they even have a workshop just for Bentleys and their impressive engines.
So this is a straight four.
Yeah.
How many valves?
16 valves.
So really, 16 valve four-cylinder engine.
Overhead cam, fantastic.
In 1927.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
These guys restore them top to bottom, inside out. But there's no limit to how specialised a business can be here.
This is going to put a spark in your life, man.
And it's at a Magneto Restorers that Fuzz has decided to finish Tim's tour.
Just be careful what you touch.
Yeah, no, I get that impression, yeah.
Magnetos were often used to create the ignition spark in early pre-war cars.
Why did they ever die out then?
One problem that people experienced with magnetos was the engine becomes difficult to start as the magneto got older. So
Yeah.
a coil ignition was much more efficient for starting the engine.
Okay. But you need a battery. I mean, with a magneto, in theory, you could start
Exactly, you don't need a battery,
Yeah, which is amazing.